interest. Na hiyo tu the first step in
which value chain are we proud of? Because if I go to Kericho point, because that's their livelihood, what are we proud of in Bungoma? This is ours. Level. Because I remember. So today, as we address the issue.
Na pia najua kuna wengine wenu ni tunapeana kwa wenye wako kwa mishahara. Una locate nyumba, unasema nataka kununua nyumba fulani, hii tunanunua ready made. Sawa. Transactions zako za
we want to urge the county government to work very closely with the private sector because recently we just launched our business barometer 2026 and there were 4 very clear challenges that the businesses are facing. The first one is that the issues of overtaxation. In fact, today we have visited one of the factories. Actually, I think it's one of the largest factories here. And they had to close one of their sites because of the issue of intercounty licenses and distribution. If you are doing business across the 47 chapters, counties in Kenya, you need a distribution license, you need a marketing license, you have to pay cess across the 47 counties. That makes it very inefficient for us to enjoy the economies of scale and the large market that we already have in Kenya, for us to be able to compete under African Free Continental Trade Area and even globally. The second aspect is that we are facing a lot of challenges, especially in terms of pending bills. So there is a very serious liquidity problem of our SMEs because of the pending bills. We know national government owes business approximately 600 billion, the county governments around 180 billion. So we are urging the county governments and the national government to speed up the process of payment of the pending bills because those are the challenges that we are facing, because if we are not able to do that, we are not able to improve liquidity in the market.